Hi, I'm Calista from Chronically Chic. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make your very own mask chain so that you can wear it around your neck instead of having it hang from one ear or having to stretch out your ear loops to pull it down while you're not wearing it on your face.
To make a pearl or bead face mask chain, you need lobster clasps and crimps. I'll be using the medium size, bead string wire, beads of your choice. I chose faux pearls, a pair of pliers, a pair of scissors, and a ruler. To start, I'm going to measure out the string. I have 26 inches of beads. This is 24 inches plus 2 plus an additional 1 just in case. That gives you 27 inches of string. The next step is to put on the lobster clasps. I put some lobster clasps in crimps and bowls to keep them organized. Add 1 lobster clasp to one end of the string. I'm going to tie a knot as close and as tight as I can to the clasp. Then you add 1 crimp. Thread the crimp onto the tail of the knot. Then push the crimp up on top of the knot. When the crimp is in place, crush it with pliers. This will hold the knot in place. Now we are going to thread the beads onto the string. Make sure you thread the tail from the knot into the first bead and possibly the second bead. I decided not to use the full 26 inches of beads. I have about 21 inches of beads. I'm going to add 1 crimp to the end, then add 1 lobster clasp. Tie the lobster clasp as tightly towards the beads as you can. It is okay if there is a little bit of space. Make sure the knot is above the crimp. I'm going to cut the tail a little. You need to leave some tail, maybe 1 or 2 inches. Then slide the tail of the knot through the crimp bead and into the preceding beads. slide the crimp up onto the knot. Close the crimp by squishing it with the pliers. That's it. That's how you make a mask chain.